Your home is worth 350 grand on the market, but it'll cost you 450 to rebuild it from scratch. Most Minnesota homeowners are insured for the wrong number, and they don't realize it until after a total loss. That gap that comes out of your pocket, by the time this video is done, you'll know what Minnesota homeowners actually pay for insurance, why hail keeps tanking our rates, and the one coverage gap that surprises people every single winter. You'll also know the mistake I see constantly in my agency. Your lender requires you to insure your home for replacement cost, not market value. That's the rebuilding price. But what it actually costs to tear down and reconstruct. In the Twin Cities suburbs, I see this all the time. A home appraising at 350 easily costs 450 to rebuild because you're paying current labor rates, current material prices, and the contractor has to demolish before building new. If you're insuring to market value, you're underinsured by six figures, and your lender won't let you get away with it. Minnesota is top 5 nationally for hail claims. The Twin Cities metro gets hit multiple times a season with storms that drop golf ball sized hail. In one bad storm, carriers are handling 10,000 claims in a single day. Your roof takes the beating. After a big hail event, contractors show up within 48 hours, and not all of them are legitimate. Some are storm chasers who'll cash your insurance check and vanish. Call your agent first before you sign anything. Also, know this: several major carriers now cap roof claims at actual cash value if your roof's over 15 years old. That difference between replacement cost and actual cash value, that's 5 grand, 10 grand, sometimes more coming straight out of your pocket. Winter in Minnesota means ice dams. Heat escapes through your attic, melts snow on the roof, water refreezes at the eaves, and that ice forces water under your shingles and into your house. Drywall, insulation, floors all get soaked. Here's what catches people. Standard homeowners insurance does not cover ice dam damage. It's considered maintenance issue. If your gutters are clean and your attic ventilation is adequate, the insurance company will deny the claim. You pay out of pocket. Could be 3 grand, could be 15. Most people have no idea this isn't covered until it happens in January. The number one thing I see go wrong is homeowners insuring their home for what it's worth on the market instead of what it costs to rebuild. Your appraisal shows 350. You think that's your coverage limit. It's not. You need replacement cost, which in Minnesota is usually 20, 30, sometimes 40% higher. Your lender will catch it, force you to increase it, and you'll end up paying anyway. Except later, after loss, when you've got way bigger problems than a premium adjustment. If you get the right number from day one, if you want to make sure you're actually insured properly and not surprised by gaps or underinsurance, the link in the description takes you to my agency site where you can get a quote